Hello everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change location on Joann. So let's get started. Open a web browser and in the URL box type in joann.com and press enter on your keyboard. Make sure that you're logged into your joann.com account. Once you're inside the main homepage, click on the change button at the top right hand corner and select your destination from the drop down. Once you select your destination, it'll also change the currency according to your selection. Now click on save and you'll be able to change your location. Now the goods that you've ordered will be delivered in that particular location once you make this change. So that is how you can easily do it. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye. Till then.